Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Adam Bergman's Money Makers. Did you know that IBM just came out with their earnings? IBM beat expectations by nearly $700 million and rose revenue 7.7% over the same exact period last year. Now, it's no secret that IBM is dying little by little. What changed, or what could have possibly changed in IBM's portfolio or IBM's partnerships that could have possibly made the revenue to go up? Let's think about that. You guessed it, a partnership with Palantir. Palantir is slowly becoming the #1 AI data cloud partner, period. I made several videos. First, I showed you that Palantir is working with Google. Then I showed you Palantir is working with Amazon Azure. And now I'm showing you that Palantir is working with IBM's cloud solutions. And if Palantir is working with your cloud solutions, you better believe that Palantir is probably working with the underlying company like IBM. Now, this video has nothing to do with IBM except for the showcase that Palantir is absolutely massive in this field, and anything that Palantir touches becomes gold. Palantir is super efficient. But don't take it from my words. Let's take it from the horse's mouth and see exactly what Palantir is doing for IBM and IBM's clients. Palantir first partnered with IBM exactly 1 year ago in February 2021. Lo and behold, we have earnings and IBM is up 7.7% as per their last earning just a few days ago. Well, this is the website for IBM. This is not Palantir's website, but IBM's website. As you can see, it says Palantir for IBM Cloud, pack for data. Become data-driven faster, empower businesses' teams regardless of skills to make AI-powered decisions. It says seamlessly curate data across enterprises with Palantir for IBM Cloud Pack for data. Protect sensitive data and get a single client view oncology for fraud and risk management and better service. For anybody that forgot what oncology is, it's a digital twin. For all of my crypto heads, it's basically a metaverse of your existing company where you can do trial and errors and see what works better and what works worse and see what is better and what is worse and how to make your company less inefficient. You could plug in a lot of different data to try to figure out the best possible outcome with what's happening in the environment today or what can possibly happen or not happen with the environment tomorrow. Palantir for IBM Cloud Pack for Data, accelerated AI-powered business decisions. Making critical data-driven decisions is a hallmark of a great business leaders. And those with an eye for the future know that the right data and the right tools can fuel AI-powered digital transformation for the entire enterprise. That's right, the right tools. Pay attention. But when massive amounts of data are spread across an organization in silos, developing insights with the AI to plug into the business operations can be time-intensive and difficult to scale. Again, there's raw data processing and then there's processed data. If you're processing raw data, it's very, very time-consuming. The edge, the moat that Palantir actually has is by processing raw data and preemptively thinking how and what that data will be used for and presenting it to you in an easy, digestible, and usable way. You save a lot of money by using Palantir's AI data analytics software. Fortunately, the value of data can be unlocked by a solution that simplifies access to secure and governed data, connecting it into analytics AI operations for the right people at the right times. IBM and Palantir are joining forces to help businesses improve decision-making with trustworthy, predictive, and data-driven insights. The solution leverages the data fabric and automated AI lifecycles capabilities of IBM Cloud powered by Palantir. Very interesting. They're all doing the same thing. IBM, Amazon, Google, I would not be surprised if we're also working with Microsoft and quite possibly Tesla and Apple. They all power their systems with Palantir. Palantir is a plugin. Again, that's the difference between Palantir and a lot of its competitors. Palantir can plug into your existing system and make your system better, but the competitors don't exactly do the same thing. The solution leverages the data fabric and automated AI life cycles capabilities of the IBM Cloud to build the foundations for low, no-code business applications powered by Palantir. Listen to what it said. To build a foundation for low or no code business application. The partnership enables various industries, including retail, financial services, and automotive, to successfully adopt and scale AI in their business operation. This is a pamphlet for the partnership between IBM and Palantir. This is from IBM's website. It says, scale AI-powered business decisions with Palantir for IBM Cloud Pak. Accelerate your digital transformation with a trustworthy AI for business. And then it gives you a lot of numbers. Seize the opportunity and overcome challenges in scaling AI, artificial intelligence. 66% of businesses have increased revenues due to AI adoption. 47% of AI models never make it from a pilot to production. 32% of organizations cite the data complexity and silos as a key barrier to AI adoption. Again, that's the power of Palantir. There are no barriers. Plug and play into your existing system. 63% of CXOs cite skill gaps as a top barrier for implementing AI. Again, the skill gaps. You heard what they said. Little to no code at all to build AI foundation for your company using Palantir as a plugin with IBM Cloud. And I'm sure the same holds true for Amazon Cloud and Google Cloud and whatever other clouds Palantir is absolutely demolishing, because Palantir is running this game, and it's just a matter of time until people understand how absolutely powerful, valuable, and cost-effective Palantir is. It's not a question of will, it's a question of when people will realize that Palantir is not a privilege, but an absolute necessity for every single business to run. 100 plus clients using Palantir software to address critical use cases. Over 100 triple digits of IBM's customers are using Palantir to help them out. What can you do with Palantir for IBM Cloud? Pak for data. Improve customer experience in financial services. Know your customer with a single accurate view and proactively mitigate risks. Again, proactively, before the fact. Simplify complex manufacturing supply chains. Continuously monitor supply chains' health and improve resiliency. Guess what happened during COVID? All the bottlenecks, supply chain issues. There's not enough production to keep everybody happy. Don't you think Palantir is doing its part to helping your specific company get the products that you need in order to make your business grow? Again, whoever uses Palantir is going to be more successful than the person that doesn't use Palantir. Enable protective maintenance in the automotive industry, conduct proactive maintenance and minimize costly downtime. And finally, optimize sales and marketing campaign, improve quality service, and optimize campaigns to attract and retain customers. Ladies and gentlemen, Palantir is an absolute beast. It's a monster taking over the game. Little by little, we see all of these partnerships, and although not all of these partnerships are brand new, all of these partnerships are only now coming to light and only now coming to fruition, especially because of news outlets and social media influencers and just regular every single day Joes like myself and you who uncover all of this information and like to connect the dots. I am a theoretical investor, which means I love connecting the dots. If I can connect the dots, if I see it and everything makes sense, then it is a very worthy business to invest in. And usually, if you see it, it makes sense, it will happen and come to fruition. It's only a matter of time. Not if, but when everybody else, not the Palantirians, but everybody else realizes that if you ain't about the Palantir, then you ain't about nothing when it comes to your business. And a lot of clients are going to start soon realizing that if the company that they want to work with or partner with is not using Palantir to make them that much more less efficient, which then in turn makes them that much more efficient, well, then it's possible that a lot of clients will stop working with companies that are not working with Palantir. Because why would you want to work with the second or third best when the first best is miles ahead of second best? Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. All of this is for entertainment and educational purposes only. I'm just a simple YouTuber. Thank you so much. And please give me the like, shares, and subscribe if you like this type of content. Have a great day.